Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, in this video we will discuss the pseudocode of Essentials. So this is basically the practice for upcoming drives. Okay, so let's start the video. Just I request you, if you are new at my channel, please friends click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon button as well. Okay, so if you want to contact with us, so friends you can, na. So this is the basically this is our username of Telegram, or if you want to contact with us through WhatsApp, so you can go to WhatsApp and join our group and message to admin. Clear? And next is, if you want to contact with Gmail, you can Gmail us, na, you can mail us, no issue. So let's start. Yes. So now friends, this is basically our first question. I just changed the color, just wait, give me a 1 sec. Yes. So friends, see the value of it. We declare the variable a and b in that, and Priyanshu is the name of the function. Okay friends, when I write the codes, so I just take Priyanshu as a name of the function in every pseudocode. Okay, so don't mind this, na. So see, the value of a is basically 2 and the value of b is basically 3. Then next is what? If b equal to a. If friends b is equal to a, then we return the 0, else we return the a plus Priyanshu of a comma b minus 1. So the value of b is 3. So b is 3. Then I write here, let's suppose b equal to 3. So friends, you can check it, the b is equal to 1 or not. So it's not equal to 1, so it's go to the else part. Now in the else part friends, return a plus Priyanshu a comma b minus 1. It means that friends, the value of a is basically 2, right? And 2 plus again function called Priyanshu a comma b minus 1. So the value of a b minus 1, b minus 1 means 2. So the value of a and b is, now the value of a is similar to, and the value of b is basically now is 2. The value of b is 2, right? So the value of b is now 2. Okay, now again its function is executed if, now if come to if block, then if b equal to 1, now b is equal to 2, not equal to 1, so it's again false, and it's go to else part, and then return a. What is the value of a? Is basically 2. Then return Priyanshu a with the value of a is basically 2. Now after that b minus 1, b minus 1 means the value of b is now is 1. Okay, the value of b is now is 1. Now friends, b is equal to, if I come to if part, na, if we come to this part, na, this if part, so the value of b is basically 1 equal to 1, condition true, then return 0. So return 0, then plus 0. The value is returned by this function is friends 4. Your answer is 4 friends. I hope you got it right. So let's move on next question. So next question is friends again based on the recursion. Okay friends, in this video I take many questions from recursion friends. Okay, so let's check it. So the value of n is basically 2, right? Then after that int p, Priyanshu int p, then if, now this again if, this is same as similar question, so I just take in color. Okay, now if n is equal to 4, now friends the value of n is basically 2, so 2 is not equal to 4, then it execute the else part. Okay, it move to else part, then return 2 multiply. Now again 2 multiply again, right? Again this function is called by n plus 1. N plus 1 means 3. The value of n is means of now 3, right? Then after int n, then again n 3 is equal to 4, not, it again come in else part, then return 2 multiply, again 2 multiply friends, again function is called n plus 1. N plus 1 means friends now the value of n is 4, right? The value of n is 4. Now friends, if 4 is equal to 4, yes 4 is equal to 4, then return n. The value of n is basically 4, so we return the 4. So we calculate this is 16. So our output is friends what? 16. I hope this question you got as well. Now friends, move on the next question. So friends, in this question, this is not a recursion based question. Okay, this is basically a function based question, right? So the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 1, right? Now I just remove this point and I write this equation here only, right? Just see it. Okay, I write this thing here. Okay, why I write thing here friends? Just wait. Now friends, see, I write here only, na. Just wait, give me a 1 second. So see friends, here I write the a equal to, right? A equal to, now friends v b minus, right? I just match it, now it's okay. So now friends, the value of b is basically 1, right? 1 minus of bracket, right? Now see, the value of a is basically 1 plus b value is 1 again, and the value of a is again 1. Then after that minus of bracket, then the value of a is 1, then minus 1 minus 1. Why I write this? Because the value of a and b both are 1, right? So now if we solve this, so this are 3, right? 3, and this is friends minus 2, right? And 1, so this is written as a minus, sorry, yes, minus 1, right? Because minus 2, this is minus 2, and basically this written minus 1, right? Then after that friends, I just, what we do, 3 minus minus 1, so minus minus plus, so it's a give the plus 3 plus 1, right? Then after this is basically 4, so it's a give the 4, so I just remove, and now this, so 1 minus 4 is basically minus 3. The value of a is changed to friends minus 3. I hope you got this, right? So the value of a is what? Minus 3. So I write here the value of a is not 1, the value of a is what? Minus 3. Now friends, again we have to solve this equation as well. So I again do what I do, I just remove this and take this, okay, see, in this way. So now friends, I again do same things, like b equal to now friends, the value of a is minus 3, right? The value of a is minus 3, then again minus of bracket and close, right? So a, the value of a is minus 3, then plus the value of b is 1, and the value of minus a is minus 3, right? Then minus, then friends again bracket, then a minus b, then minus a, then friends see, the minus a means minus 3, so it means that plus 3, right? So this plus 3 is cut by this minus 3, right? So wait friends, so friends देखिए, the minus 3 is cancelled with plus 3, then it gives the minus 1, so minus 1 and minus 1, so plus 1 it's give plus 1, this minus and this minus I have to multiply it, right? Then minus 3 and minus 3, minus 6 or plus 1, minus 5 plus 1 means friends minus 4, right? Then minus 4, then minus 3 friends, minus 4 means plus 4, right? Then it give the minus 1, sorry, it give the 1. Then after friends, it give the 1, then 1, the value of b is again 1, right? You can check it, I just cross check it, wait, yes friends, so the value of b is basically the 1. Now friends, the value of we need to return is 100 plus a plus b, so 100 minus 3 plus 1, so it means minus 2, so 100 minus 2 means friends 98, so the value is returned is total 98 friends by this question. So friends, I hope you got this question. Let's move to next. So this is the friend next question. In these, the value of n is 1 and function name is Priyanshu, as I told in starting the video, because when I write the program, I just take every program function name is Priyanshu, right? So see, the value of n is nothing, sorry, not nothing, we can say like the value of n is 1, right? So the value of n is 1 if n is greater than 5. N is greater than 5? No. N is less than 5. So condition is false. Now print 1. Now answer is friends, see the print 1, then return increment by 1, then return increment n by 1. So n is increment, so the value of n is now 2. So again 2 is greater than 5? No. So again print 2. So friends, in these way this program is executed, and I just tell the direct output 1 2 3 4 and let's suppose 5. I just give you the fifth explanation why. Just see, the value of n is basically 5, okay? So 5 is greater than 5. 5 is greater than 5 friends? No, it's also the wrong condition, right? So that's why print 5, then again increment by 1. So the value of n is basically now is 6. Then after friends, n, 6 is greater than 5. Yes, 6 is greater than 5. Then friends, exit, right? Why? Because this is true. Why this is true? Because 6 is greater than 5, right? If this said the equal to, right, greater than equal to, then our output is only 1 2 3 4. But friends, here the condition is said n is greater than 5, so that's why we have to print 1 2 3 4 5, right? So this is the answer of that question. Okay friends, so let's move on the next question. Next question is based on the condition, friends. Now the question is that basically the for which of the following condition B will be printed. So friends, you need to tell from which condition we need to implement in this program so that the value of B is printed. How B is printed, friends? Like X is greater than Y is greater than Z. Let's suppose this condition, or the Y is greater than X is greater than Z. So friends, these types of condition you need to implement in this code. Friends, this is the question, this is the option are given in the question. I not write any option because friend I not have time to write this much. Okay, so friends, please consider this question as well, and right, see. So if X is greater than Z, so it means that friends, if this is condition true, then we need to go to the print statement to B, right? So this condition is true, it means that friends, X is greater than Z, right? Now friends, we need to print the value of B. So when the value of B is true, when Y is less than Z, it means that friends, Z is greater than Y, right? If I write here Z is greater than, let's suppose the value of Z is 10, the value of Z is 10 and the value of Y, let's suppose 5, right? If I check this condition, so this condition said Z 10 and Y, the value of Y is, let's suppose 5. So this condition is friends false, then it come to else part and execute print B, right? So that's why friends we write this condition. I hope you got it, right? So I just change it, so Z is greater than Y, so Z is greater than Y, right friends? So this is the condition you need to implement in this program so that the value of B is printed. So this is the correct answer, friends. Okay, so let's move next question. Next question is this, friends. Print Priyanshu input and the value of n is not given. I think friends, the value of n is here is 4, right? Okay friends, so sequence generated, this question is based on the sequence generated. So friends, you need to tell the in the final answer when the function is single called, right? The function is single called, then the what sequence is generated. So let's check it, and I just delete this thing because this is not we need to this. So the value of n, let's suppose, is equal to 4. Okay friends, now 4 is less than 2, no, condition is false, then return Priyanshu n minus 1. N minus 1 means friends 3 plus, then plus means friends Priyanshu n minus 2. N minus 2 means friends 2, right friends? This is also called by friends function, right? So now friends, after this call, again the value of n is basically here we write, we want this execute, na, first. Now the value of n is basically 3, so 3 is less than 2, no, condition is false, then again this statement is executed. So n minus 1 is basically 2, n minus 1 means 2, and n minus 2 means 1, right? And for this, well, for this friends, for 2 only, for 2 only, again 2 is less than 2, condition false, then return Priyanshu n minus 1. N minus 1 means friends 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 0, right? So this is the condition. Then again friends, if we talk about for next values, let's suppose we talk for these, so again 2, so let's suppose 2, the value of 2 is 2, so this 2 is returned friends 1 and 0, and this is this 1, then plus 1 and 1 0, right? So this is the sequence finally returned by this function. What is the sequence friends? 1 0 1 1 0, right? 1 0 1 1 0, friends, this is the final sequence that function return. Friends, may be possible in that the 1 is not defined, this value is not given. I think friends, in the option this value is not give, only this value is, so you can choose this value. Okay, no issue है ना, you can choose your answer according to option friends, इस बात का आप ध्यान रखिएगा. Okay, and friends, final question is this: Priyanshu a comma b and the value of a and b is, I think just wait, I will check. So friends, the value of a and b is a equal to 2 and b equal to, sorry, yes, the value of b is, I just write here, the value of a is basically 1 and b equal to 2. Okay, you can check this code by this value and comment your answer, what answer you get. Okay, in next video we will discuss this code as well. Okay, so don't worry for that. Oh friends, how you feel if I am talking about in Hindi, or if I am talking about, sorry, if I teach in Hindi or teach in English. So friends, just comment में बताइए English में video कैसा explanation लगा, in English how you feel the explanation. Oh friends, in next video which language we use, Hindi or English, please friends comment out है ना as soon as possible. Okay friends, so I hope you got your answer, or if you have any doubt in any pseudocode or any question, or if you have any query related to your placement, related to Accenture and anything है ना friends, you can ask me on comment, as well as you can chat me, or you can text me, right? How you text me? These are the platforms friends. Okay, so you can contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp, Gmail, Insta, LinkedIn, any platform you can prefer, no issue, right? So friends, I hope you got my point, or if you have any doubt or query, you can comment us as I told. Or if you are not new my channel friends, if you watch this video first time from my channel friends, please subscribe to my channel, or don't forget to click bell icon button friends, because we daily update hiring update plus placement material as well. So friends, this channel is very useful for your placement, right? So I request you friends, please subscribe to us, or please join friends through the Telegram friends. If you not subscribe our Telegram channel friends, please go and subscribe, because friends, here we upload the question solution and the logic friends of every question. See, today's Infosys question, so we have tell the logic. Okay, or today's is sorry, yesterday TCS digital question answer, right? So this type of solution will provide in this channel. So friends, go and join as soon as possible friends. Here we update hiring update also है ना, we update hiring, or many things are there in this group. So friends, please go and join Telegram channel, and or if you want to join our WhatsApp group, so friends, please go and check it है ना. So friends, this is all about for this video. This is है ना, इतना काफ़ी है इस वीडियो के लिए फ्रेंड्स. लेट्स मीट ऑन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना है ना. सब्सक्राइब नहीं है तो अपने फ्रेंड से बोलो, प्लीज़ आस्क टू योर जूनियर और योर सीनियर और योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल है ना, योर बैचमेट, योर क्लासमेट, योर फ्रेंड्स, योर कोचिंग मेट्स. यू नीड टू आस्क एवरी सर्कल है ना, जितने भी आपके पास फ्रेंड है सबसे बोलो कि यार प्लीज़ ज्वाइन दिस चैनल है ना फॉर योर प्लेसमेंट हेल्प, राइट? सो that's all about today video. Okay friends, let's meet on the next video. Thank you friends for watching this video. Let's meet on the next video.